Hey, I'm super excited for today's video. I've had this Catless downpipe for a few months now, and it's finally time to throw it in. I got this downpipe from someone who is pretty local, but it is a Boostlogic Catless downpipe. I got Dan over here today to help me install it.
I'm gonna be horrible at this.
I'm sure I am too. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Put that clip in of me busting my ass trying to take my wheel off.
We just pulled the car into the shop a little while ago, so we still gotta wait for it to cool off a bit. But while we do that, I'm gonna start unplugging the O2 sensors. All right, we got the car up on the jack stands. We're about to drop it down, make sure everything's all good. You want to,
I mean, I'm ready. I'm two white claws deep. We're good.
Let's go. Having trouble there, dude?
That was scary. That scared me, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. That was a little scary.
So now we're under the car. Got a couple of bolts that we need to unscrew to get this plate off. Once this plate comes off, we'll be able to access everything a little bit easier. And then we can take the downpipe out. I'm gonna set it up on a time lapse so that we can run through this a little faster. All right, so we got the plate off. It's right there. We just have to unbolt the exhaust now so that we can loosen it up so we can get to the downpipe, unscrew that, and then pull it out. I don't know how much I'm really gonna be able to film of taking out the downpipe because it's a really tight space. It's also kind of dark under there. I'll do my best, but let's get into it. All right, so from the downpipe, right here, we have to unscrew this bolt right here to loosen up the exhaust, and then this bolt right here to loosen the connecting point. And then once we finish that little screw back there, we just have to unscrew that to loosen the V-band clamp, and then everything should be pretty loose. Let me get this out of the car, get the new one in, and then when I get the new one in, we'll do a before and after of how it sounds. I got the downpipe loosened. It's not off, but it's not connected to the exhaust anymore. So it's basically just dumping out the bottom of the car. And we're gonna see how it sounds. It's honestly still pretty quiet. I still have to work down there. Let's let it cool down again so I can work down there so we can leave.
Yeah. It's out. Look at that.
Ow, it's fucking hot. Ow. It's out. Yo. Ow. Yo. No.
You good?
Yeah, that hurt. All right, the new downpipe's installed. Everything's back on the car. We just got to jack it up, get it on the floor, clean everything up, and I'm gonna do a nice comparison test from before to after.
How do you like it?
Good.
Dude,
It's good.
it sounds so good from outside.
It's so good.
I'm telling you, bro, the 2020s, way better sounding than the 2021s. The 2-port sounds so much better than the 6-port.
Definitely. This sounds crazy.
Like, mine sounds good, yours sounds better, and you got a stock exhaust. Come on now. Literally, $250 mod, that's it.
I have a stock exhaust for now.
For now, but like, this sounds so fucking good just with that.
Yeah, no, this is ridiculous.
Sir, trade engines? Engine swap?
No, yours burns oil.
No, it's good. It's chilling right there. The oil's not burning yet.
Anymore.
Anymore.
Alright, so there it is. This thing sounds insane now. I absolutely love it even more. If you want to see some more content like this, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Alright, I'm about to take you through the underside of the Supra. Alright. Okay. So, right there. That right there, that's the carburetor. We have to remove that, and he's about to push probably like anywhere from 950 to 1050 wheel.